Learn English with your Instill.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study here.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I love it.
How long are you here?
For 6 months.
Where do you live?
I live near the school.
Do you live alone?
No, with my friend.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, not yet.
Can I have your number?
Yes, it's 5551234.
What time is it?
It's 9:30 a.m.
What day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
What's the date?
It's August 27th.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you get up early?
Yes, every day.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast?
Yes, at 8 a.m.
What do you eat?
Toast and coffee.
What time do you leave home?
At 8:30 a.m.
How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
What time do classes start?
They start at 9 a.m.
How many classes today?
I have 4 classes.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 12:30.
Where do you eat lunch?
In the cafeteria.
What time do you go home?
At 4 p.m.
What do you do at night?
I study and watch TV.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, usually.
Are you tired now?
A little tired.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I rest.
Do you have a big family?
No, it's small.
How many people?
4 people.
Do you have brothers?
Yes, 1 brother.
Do you have sisters?
No, no sisters.
How old is your brother?
He's 18 years old.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
What about your mother?
She's a nurse.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, very much.
Do you call them?
Yes, every week.
Do you have friends here?
Yes, a few friends.
Are they students too?
Yes, from different countries.
What do you do together?
We study and have fun.
Do you go out together?
Yes, on weekends.
Where do you go?
To restaurants and movies.
Are they nice?
Yes, very nice.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Do you cook?
Yes, simple things.
Can you cook well?
Not really, I'm learning.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.